In this video, I will show you how to remove phone number from Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course open up Discord and log into your account. Now once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your settings. And from here, you want to make sure you're on the My Account section. So if you come to this menu on the left hand side, you're going to see My Account, give that a click. And then in this section at the top, you're going to see your phone number down here. So to go ahead and remove this, you're going to see a remove link here. If you actually go ahead and give this a click, what it's going to do is ask you to enter your password. So you just want to enter that into here and then click the blue remove button underneath. Once you've done this, as you can see, it's going to automatically remove your phone number, and that is how to remove a phone number from Discord. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.